Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker Online back. Now today what we're about to do, we're about to go to our second home. We're on the way to the Nike outlet. It's been more than a minute since we've been out there. It's been too long. So I woke up, I was like, man, I'm feeling a different type of mood, man. I caught a bunch of W's yesterday. Something good got to happen today too, man, going into this weekend. So I called the Nike outlet, see what was popping. They said it's 30% off the entire store, not just the hash wall. Everything in the store is 30% off. It's just like friends and family out there. So I hope I'm not too late going out there. I hope everything isn't picked over already, because it's already slim pickings here in Ohio at the outlets. So we about to head up there, roll with your boy. All right, we just pulled up at the Nike outlet. We about to walk in here, man, and see what this 30% off is talking about. Then we gonna go on Polo. They doing 50% off. But hey, I didn't mention at the beginning of the video, man, we're gonna do some little mini milestones, man. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, but we're only 18 subscribers away from 950, man. My mini milestone is gonna be 950 subs by Christmas. That's what I'm going for. That's the goal. You gotta set little mini goals for yourself, man, to accomplish bigger things. So you can do it. We about to walk in the store. Let's see what they got in the outlet. See if everything's already picked over. I can't even walk up and down the aisles yet. She already done put on the Vogue 4s. Her Vogue 3s? What are these? 3s, right? Yeah, 3s. They actually look pretty dope on foot. You know what I'm saying? From the looks of today already, it don't look like it's gonna be much content put into this Nike outlet vlog. But we'll go up and down the shelves, up and down the racks, and see exactly what we can get in here for 30% off. I'm not one to spend money just for the sake of spending money, especially not right before the holiday season. But we'll see if we can find a steal. You only need to find one. But as of right now, I'm not really seeing anything. Maybe there'll be something on the hash wall. One of these will be at the outlet soon. I always call these the Seahawk Kyries. They're all the way down to $65 with 30% off. You got your LeBron lows, 110 in every colorway, down to 110, 30% off. You also got these, what do they call them, Maestros or whatever these called. They're terrible to me. I've never seen anybody wearing them, even when they came out. Tis duck boot season. Yo, these actually came back to the outlet, man. I remember having these as a teenager. These are dope, man. Eddie Jones wore these. Oh, no problem. 80 bucks for these with 30% off ain't bad. I wonder if they got a 10.5 or 11. Might try these on, man. Feeling a little nostalgic right now. Let's see what we got going on down here. The Eddie Jones. What y'all think? Trash. You got your deconstructed 2s. I'm not a fan of 2s, but you know. And look what we have down here. Still got the mellows. 140, 30% off. Oh, you good, you good. I don't know why these are still at retail. I mean, 30% off, but still. And this is one of the problems. I know a lot of people had a problem with the colorway itself. But anytime, if you just touch this sneaker, it's going to be dirty, let alone walking around outside in it. So it's just not a good pickup in my opinion, man. The material not being patent leather, and then on top of that, just the fact that it's going to get dirty really, really easily. Alright, our last trip for today is going to be the hash wall back here. You get these Easter egg ones. I don't know if they didn't take anything off or they kept everything at pretty high prices just because they took 30% off, but these prices don't seem to be as low as usual. And I'm not really seeing any heat. They got the Vapor Max, like the Flynet boot type things. But I'm not seeing anything that's really jumping out at me right now. Let's see what's in this box with a lid on it. What? Yeah, guys, I'm not really seeing anything, man, even worth pulling out for 30% off. So I think I'm gonna make it over to the Polo outlet. See if we can find some clothes. Then we'll go to H&M. Get something else. Very, very disappointed. But then again, you also gotta understand that found out last minute that they're doing 30% off the whole store. And whenever they do that, especially right before Christmas like this, you're not gonna find anything in these outlet malls. It's time to get this 50% off. They usually don't go on sale, the Polo Bear stuff, but they doing at least 30% off on that. It's supposed to be 50% all apparel, but I knew they wouldn't do it on these. The Polo Bear stuff go hard though. I think these going 50% off, but they at $79.99. I don't know how much the hoodie's going for. Hoodie's going for 150% off. Is it Sherpa? That's what I really need right here. Sweatpants. This dude wants his hat. Let me see the hat, son. It's time to go in here and get me a coolest monkey in the jungle hoodie. Alright, so your boy about to walk around H&M, man. I need some jeans. I need to see what they got on sale in here. I try not to shop in here after all that racist shit that was going on. But they got great deals.
Nike and they got Journeys and everything.
Yeah.
I'm about to get these pants too.
Yo, I'm out here with my boy Christian, man. He about to sub up to the channel.
Yeah.
You see what he doing out here in these streets. He taking advantage of that 30% off the whole Nike store. I think he done cleared. That's why I didn't get anything. He done cleared it out.
Spend 150, get 50 gift card.
There you go.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. All right, y'all. So we back at the house, man. I'm not gonna make this exit out of this video that long. I just wanted to show y'all a few things that we picked up, and give you a little bit of information about what's about to happen in my next video, concerning the 1,000 subscriber mark. But we only got a few things. We didn't get anything out of the Nike store. Everything was already pretty much picked over. But you did see us in Polo, and I did get Josiah this polo hat. It's all navy blue corduroy with the Polo Bear with the U.S. hockey jersey on. So that's actually really dope. It looks really dope on. I might actually sneak it on my dome. I got a couple other things in H&M. I just got some jeans and some shorts. And the reason I got some shorts, I'll show you the shorts first. I got these Bugs Bunny gray sweat shorts because they were only like $4. And I'm gonna wear these in the summer with my Concords. So I think that's a dope little pickup. It was like $4. These jeans were on sale for $16, and all they are is just some regular blue denim. Little light wash fade in the middle on the thigh. Then I got a whole bunch of underwear that y'all don't care nothing about. So they were buy two get one free, and they was only $2 a piece. So I spent a total about $6, $7, $8 on the underwear. But neither here nor there about everything that I got from the outlet. What I want to talk about is going to be in my. We're going back to the outlet tomorrow. Today we went to the today we went to the Jeffersonville outlet. Tomorrow we're going to go to the Sunbury outlet in Columbus, Nike outlet, and see what they have in the morning, because they're going to be running the same 30% off the entire store. So maybe they'll have a little bit better selection. But what I also want to talk about, in regards to the 1,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to announce what I'm going to be giving away for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's nothing really huge, but it is something really nice. And I'm sure whoever gets it would appreciate it. So be on the lookout for tomorrow's video. And in order to see tomorrow's video in a timely manner, you got to have your notification bells on. So make sure you got your notification bell set. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. And I'll go over everything that you need to do to be in the running for the giveaway. So we're on the road to 1,000. I appreciate y'all for watching another one of my videos, man. Until tomorrow, OVE!